You need to hear this if you're a car lover. For ages, we've loved the sound of a powerful engine, the smell of petrol, like a good cologne for us. But now, something new is here. Electric cars. Quiet, cool-looking, and they might even help our planet. Are electric cars just a trend, or are they here to stay? Let's find out. We're comparing them directly, like a real competition. Speed, price, everything. We'll see who wins. Get ready for an exciting ride. Let's be real, people buy fast cars to, well, go fast. And electric cars, they are quick off the line. They call it instant torque. You push the pedal and bam, it's like launching a rocket. Petrol cars, they take their time. Engines revving, gears shifting, it's all a bit old-fashioned. But, and this is important, when it comes to top speed, petrol cars are still king, at least for now. Okay, let's talk money. Electric cars, they cost a lot to buy. Batteries are pricey. But here's the good part. Electricity is much cheaper than petrol, so you save money over time. Petrol cars, cheaper to buy, but you'll be paying at the petrol station all the time. And with petrol prices these days, it's like throwing money away. Now, maintenance. Electric cars are like your phone. Sometimes they need a software update, that's it. No oil changes, no spark plugs, no hassle. Petrol cars, on the other hand, are like that old car that always needs fixing. Oil changes, engine checks, the list never ends. And don't even get me started on the cost of parts. Section 5, range anxiety versus pump price panic. Which is worse? Electric cars have one big weakness: range. Run out of power and you're stuck. And finding a charging station isn't as easy as finding a petrol station. It's getting better, but still. Petrol cars, fill them up and you're good to go. But with those fuel prices, you might freak out every time you see the pump. And don't even think about getting stuck in traffic. Section 6, the environmental scorecard: gas guzzlers versus eco-warriors. Let's be honest, petrol cars are about as good for the environment as a fire in a forest. Electric cars, they're the heroes of being green. No pollution, no feeling bad. But wait a minute, making those batteries, not exactly environmentally friendly. And where does the electricity come from? Power plants that burn coal. Maybe not so green after all. Section 7, the fun factor: engine noises are silent but deadly. Here's the thing, petrol cars are just more exciting. The sound of the engine, the feeling of the gears changing, it's all part of the experience. Electric cars, they're quiet, too quiet. Where's the excitement? Driving one feels like flying a spaceship, which, I guess, could be cool for some people. Section 8, the future of driving. Are we all going electric? So what's the conclusion? Will we all be driving electric cars soon? The technology is getting better, the prices are going down, and let's be real, we need to do something about climate change. But petrol cars are still fighting back. They're still more practical for long trips, and let's face it, they're just more fun to drive, at least for now. Section 9, and the winner is the final verdict on performance. So which is better, electric or petrol? It's a tough one. Electric cars are fast, clean and cheap to run, but they're expensive to buy and range anxiety is a real problem. Petrol cars? Familiar, exciting, but bad for the environment and your wallet. In the end, it depends on what you like. What kind of driver are you? The choice, my friends, is yours.